In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure in Tinkercad. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of the most basic ones and those that are the easiest to use. Now, the first one is going to be this button up top over here, which is the ruler tool. So you can enable this by pressing R on your keyboard or by clicking over here, and you can just drop this anywhere you want. So for example, I'm going to drop it over here, and there we go. We now have our ruler. If I go ahead and place any object in here, it's going to always show me the dimensions of those specific objects or shapes whenever I click on them, okay? Which is quite convenient. So that's the first way you could basically measure. Now, if I delete all the things on here right now and also remove this ruler, I can also place an object on here. So for example, we're going to place this box. And if I now go and click on that specific thing, as you can see, as I move it around, it's going to show me kind of the measurements around the edges. But I can also click on the ruler tool and then click on that shape, and it's going to give me the exact basically measurements for that specific shape, okay, or box. So in my case, that's going to be the everything I basically wanted. Now, if I remove this, you also have the option to use this ruler tool, or of course not the ruler, but the measure tool. So if you press I on your keyboard or just click on here, it's going to trigger this, and you can go ahead and click basically 2 points to measure between them. So you can just click on over here, for example, and it's going to snap to grid. If you have this enabled, click here, and there we go, you have your measurement. And of course, you can then move this around and stuff like that. And when you click out of here or press I again, it's going to basically quit the measuring system over here, okay? And that is also quite convenient to have if you actually are doing some more advanced measurements and you just want to basically get the distance between 2 points on your creation over here. So that's essentially how to measure in Tinkercad. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.